What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all having an awesome day. A quick one here on nat gas, gold, silver, crude oil, starting with natural gas. I'm going to cover US cocoa tomorrow, as I've already made a video on US cocoa this weekend. So feel free to check my weekend's video where you can find the US cocoa analysis. But again, I'm going to cover that every Thursday. So make sure if you're looking for US cocoa, I will do that every Thursday. So starting with natural gas, what do we have right here? So prices now inside the zone and also inside the rejection box and forming a possible double bottom pattern. Now this is also one of the entry conditions. I have not taken it because that was a very weak entry, a small candle. I want to see a solid bullish engulfer maybe inside this zone, or I wanted to enter with a double bottom entry condition. So that has now happened. We have a minor double bottom, not actually a double bottom on 4 hour, but if you look here on 1 hour, that is a valid double bottom, which is right here. We have first bottom right here neck, second bottom, and this is itself an entry condition, which is right here. If you are a student, you know what entry is that. Aggressive double bottom has happened right here. According to that, the stop loss is bit below 3 and 2, 5, 55 pips, something like this, and that has hit your take profit easily. But if you can also go 1.4 to 1 reward to risk ratio for the bigger targets from here. So we have a double bottom on 1 hour. If you're someone who's trading on 1 hour time frame, 180R has been hit, and now looking for better reward to risk ratio, which is 1.4 to 1. So this condition was clearly mentioned. If you have figured this out, then you have seen this entry. So let's see a quick clip from the last video so that we can connect the dots from there. And this green zone as well for your possible buy entries, but with condition. Again, the strongest entry will happen if the price, let's say, go into oversold with bullish engulfer or double bottom. In that case, we are good to go long. In the meanwhile, we are good to look for the pullback bearish entry with bearish engulfing pattern below 50 EMA. Perfect. So as you can see, the price has formed a double bottom with a divergence, which is a good entry. I always prefer some extra confluences like a hit of the zone number 1, number 2, a entry pattern, which is my chart pattern double bottom. Number 3, we have a divergence, so makes it a good entry from the support hitting 180 target. So again, I'm expecting a price to push up to 1.4 to 1 reward to risk ratio on 1 hour time frame if someone is trading on this time frame. Make sure you exit your trades once your take profit is hit. Now, firstly, I'm looking for an entries on 4 hours. So if you're someone who's not in the trade and looking for your entries on 4 hour, we are still in the process of forming a double bottom. I mean, price is still in the process of forming a double bottom pattern. We have a first bottom, we have a pullback. Now, I want to see one more pullback to this rejection box, and this rejection box on 4 hour looks like this. So that is one condition I want to see. So that is all I want to see for the double bottom. If the price forms no conditions and it pushes lower, in that case, I'll still look for aggressive entries, bullish engulfers, or double bottom entry condition. Again, that's the weak entry. It can still push up from here till 50 EMA, from where we can see another rejection before the price pushes down. So we have a condition on 1 hour, and we have a buy signal short term only with a bounce. Long term, I will only go once we are completely broken above 20 and then 50 EMA. So let's see how this trade goes. Keep an eye on 1.4 to 1 reward to risk ratio targets. On capital.com, exactly the same. The price forms first bottom, and with this pin bar could be a second bottom. Now with this engulfer, it will become a very minor double bottom pattern here on capital.com. Again, if you see here on this platform, it is not valid, but on capital.com, it is a minor double bottom pattern, and that can be taken as a trade if you are looking for an entry. But it is not a very strong confluence here because price is not in the overbought. We do not see any nice divergence in the RSI, but that can be taken as an entry since we are now in the lower level, and if that closes, the bullish engulfer will be strongest entry. I would say better entry, and stop loss can be below this pattern. Take profit can be 1 to 1 and then 1.4 to 1. You can manage your trade still. So let's see how it goes. If there is no conditions, then we can see the pullback below 50 EMA. Bearish engulfer will be my entry, and I will go short again till here. With a major double bottom, I will go long again from here. So these are the conditions now I'll be looking at for the possible entries on 1 hour. Again, that is a condition has formed. Double bottom right here, stop loss is below. Take profit can be 1 to 1 initially and 1.4 to 1. You can manage your trades. As you can see, this is a nice divergence on 1 hour time frame. Here on EMEX, if you look here on 1 hour, something like this. On EMEX, we do not have a double bottom right here, so means it is an invalid condition here on this platform. So on this platform, if you're looking for your entry, simply look for a push down. In that case, we have a good double bottom, a strong double bottom on 1 hour, and then go long from here. And on EMEX, we are getting a strongest condition right here, divergence. With that, if we have a condition here, we are good to go long. So that is something I'm looking here on 1 hour time frame. And on 4 hour, simply same condition, pull back, bullish engulfer, pin bars like this will be your entry condition. Take profit can be 1 to 1 initially or 1.421, and stop loss can be below this pattern. Again, pullback entry bearish is still in the play. If you have a push up to 50 EMA, price forms bearish engulfer, we are still gonna go short till here and look for the next condition, which I'm gonna keep you guys informed in my upcoming videos. For now, we have an entry condition on 1 hour on oandaandcapital.com. Coming here on gold. Gold is still in a range mode, and as you can see, we are right here getting nice rejections with this little triangle pattern right here. Now this breakout will confirm the trend at this point, so be very careful with this trade. If you have a breakout above or below, that will confirm the signal, but the breakout below will be a strongest signal. If the price break below with a solid candle, not a wicks like this, because these are just the rejections. I want to see a solid close. In that case, that's your entry. Stop loss can be below this pattern. Take profit can be 1 to 1 initially or 1 ATR initially, which is $13, and then you can manage your trades to this recent support and manage your trades from the upwards, move your stop loss to break even. So that, let's see how this goes. If we are broken above, then I'm seeing the price to push up to this first stop, from where we can see another rejection downwards. So keep an eye, a possible pattern here, and look for the breakout for your entry condition. A solid candle is something I want to see, not a small candle. Here on silver, we are nicely pushing up, and price has created a nice neckline as well, which is right here. So at this point, if the price pushes lower and hit this neckline, forms engulfer or a pin bar, that is a next entry condition. We have a nice trade from here, and that pushes up. Then we have a retest of the neckline. If we have, we're going to go long again with the bullish engulfers or 382 or pin bar candle. So keep an eye, only buying silver either from here, or if we have a pullback entry above 50 EMA, only buying silver till the price gets to this level above a major resistance, which is right here. These numbers in blue, from where we're going to look for the counter trend trades with bearish engulfers or double top conditions. So keep an eye, and these are the conditions now I'll be looking at for my next entries. Here on crude oil has nicely hit your targets exactly how I mentioned yesterday. What else do you need here with these type of trades? Now, if you're still greedy, you're still in the trade, don't do that. Cut your profits and come out, enjoy your profits, and look for the next entry condition. I've cut my profits way below here because I'm not greedy. But if you're someone who's looking for managing your trades, that is totally fine if you have managed till here, which is something we were expecting. So let's see the clip from the last video so that we can connect the dots from there. So a buy signal here on crude oil, it is likely going to push up from here to the next level above, which is 70.12 goes to 71.18. That is 2 to 1 reward to risk ratio. So I'm expecting a price to go up to 70.09 goes to 70.41, from where expect a pullback. Perfect. So as you can see, it nicely hit take profit. 1, 2, and 3 all take profits has been hit, and now we are at the level of resistance, minor resistance, from where we can see some sort of rejections. If there is a bearish engulfer here, we're gonna go short, scalp only, not long term. A nice pullback is expected above 50 EMA. Another bullish engulfer, we're gonna buy from here. So sell from here, buy above 50 EMA with the bullish engulfing patterns if there is a bearish condition. If not, look for a kind of pattern like this. Double top will be a strongest pattern. If we have that, we're gonna go short. Or bearish engulfer will be an aggressive entry, must engulf the previous candle with the wick for the strongest entry conditions. If there is no condition and price broke above these 70.41 and close, then we are looking at the level above for the next sell trades, and then price will turn completely bullish. So that is it for today's video. Hope you got a value. If yes, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.